news. It's top news this morning is that Mr. Clark has locked himself out to cross the square.
The daft guy.
When he was leaving the square after a long day, he forgot to pick up his keys. Direct for Crathy. Here's Jock McGuffin.
Something had happened.
Well, I left the school with my keys, did I? What a disaster. What a scunner. I had to give Mrs. Field a phone and she had to come over to breakfast at dawn. She wasn't happy, I can tell you that.
I'm sure not.
This year's Hogmanay party was the wildest so far. The Rose had advertised their party on Facebook and everybody in Ballister came round for a wee nosy. Even the band were so drunk that they couldn't play their instruments. Here's one of the band members.
So, what on earth happened?
It was a super wild party. Even the bairns were wild with the sugar.
Dave Kirsty's band. Kirsty forgot to lock these horses' stables. The horses made it as far as Ballister before they were rounded up by Kirsty and the gang. Here's the gang.
I'm at the stables with Zora and Eve.
Hi.
Fa was there.
Kirsty, Neve, the gang and I were there, gathering the wee rascals, chasing them through the hill of Ballater.
Q, why did you get the horses back?
We set off in the trailer with ropes and he'd call us.
And here's Edith Duncan and Jimmy with the whip.
How's the weather looking, Edith?
Keep watching to find out now.
Good morning, and this is the weather forecast for the northeast.
In Banff it'll be bitter cold.
In Aberdeen there will be snow.
In Bunker it'll be apple wheat.
In Dutch there will be ice.
In Brock it'll be rock.
In Huntley there will be upper hailstones.
It'll be a pea super and Peter Cooter.
It will be blowing a hilly wee storm Sunday on the way.
Going into the morning, you'll need your brolly with ya. The storm from the next before might sadly leave you looking like a dricket rat. So that's the way the forecast for the northeast. So tatty bye for now.